Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning in once again. So hey, I appreciate everybody that has subscribed, and you guys like the video, hey, shoot me a thumbs up and throw me some comments. I will get back with you in time. So at work today, doing my thing, nice and toasty out, got the doors open. I hear somebody coming in the back door. I look over, it's my buddy Ron. He brought me some model kits. 2 boxes. I thought, awesome. I always like when he brings them because I never know what he's bringing. I never know. It's like that box of chocolates. You just never know what you're getting inside. So yeah, he brought me quite a few kits today. I think there's probably 15 of them. So I had to look through and see what he brought me. Most of these kits, these boxes he has them in, he usually writes on the side of the box. So it's kind of like eyeing them all down, seeing what's in there. But I didn't want to go through them, I just parked them next to my toolbox at work, and I kept looking at them all day, and I thought, oh man, itching to go through those. And 90% of these he brings me they're already in plastic. They're never opened. I mean, they're from mid 80s to late 80s, 90s. I've had some from the 70s, just all in, and very rarely I get one that's open. So these are pretty much new kits. So I know I see a lot of you guys, I saw there's a lot of things on there where you guys are talking, you probably should open these things up and, take the tires out of the bag, wrap them up, wrap the windshields, because I tell you what, every single time you open these up, that tire is always just melded to the windshield, just almost through it, I'm just like, that's a classy look. You'll put the model together, like, wow, what happened to your window, dude? Somebody threw a tire through it. Just unbelievable. And you know what? It's like the old saying, like a tornado in a trailer park. Your tire could be here. The glass could be here. And for some reason, it's always melted together. It's always those two components. I don't know why. It just happens. It always does. So, always does. So I was watching some channels the other day. I was watching some videos. And I was watching Sean on Scale Model Car Guy, and he had this Ford pickup somebody give him, an older kit, and he had that same kit on the shelf, and he took that out, and he was saying it was ruined. And he went to pull this thing out, it's all glued together. I'm thinking, dang man, where'd they store that, in the attic of a Avon or something? I'm thinking that thing just melded together. So I can see, and I got so mmany kits up here that are still in plastic that I've had for a long time, and I've never opened them, I get it, but I don't know, I haven't opened them. And I probably should go through and take that stuff out, wrap it all up, do that. A lot of these new kits I see, they do wrap the tires, they come in a separate bag, which is cool, and the glass is in a separate bag. Everything's in separate bags. But these old kits, if you want to build them later in life, man, you got to go through, open them up, and preserve them. Who wants to get an older kit that's like, man, this is a retro classic kit? You go open up and it's junk. The only thing you got to do is look at the box art. So that's all I got to say about that. So yeah, I got to go through and open some of these up, and we'll go through them. So I'll take you over to the bench and we'll take a look through these kits. I'm not going to open them tonight, but I'll just show you what we got, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned. So first off, we have some Mustangs. Yeah, we got a few doubles here. So check this out. You guys remember the old Super Stallion kits? Yeah, the old Revels. What year are these bad boys? 1999. Very cool. A little faded out on the one box here. Oh, we can get a road on the back. Maybe we can throw that on that turntable. Yeah. Next one we got is a metal kit. This is just the old Skilly one. I think I have some of these. I'm certain I got a few of these sitting around. I think my mom got me years ago, but they weren't testers. I'd have to pull those out and take a look at them, see what they were. That's kind of cool. So this is a kit here I've been wanting to get forever, and I keep seeing it, and I keep passing it by, and I thought, and I've seen some of you guys build this, and I thought, dude, I want to get that model. That looked pretty cool. I think that looked really nice in a metallic blue, like a light metallic, like a baby blue almost. I think that looked really good. You know, I wonder if this, did they do this in black? I mean, that'd be sweet in black also. But yeah, big old chromey. Go 58. Yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to put that one together. So can't forget the old Fox Body Mustang. Yes, sir. I have a couple of these already. They're, you know, it's funny, every one I have, they're all in different different box art. You know, it's an okay kit. I've built this car before, but it's a little disproportionate, you know. I mean, the engine's like almost too small for it, and the grill, just everything just don't seem like it's proportioned right. Now, if you look at the side of the body and from the top, it looks all right, but I think the one that Monogram built, that one's like right on. I mean, that thing's spot on pretty much, that convertible they did. But this is still a cool kit. I like it. So we got another pair, and this is the old Mach 3. The old prototype car they did. Look at the difference those boxes. That's something. From when they went from Revell Monogram just to when Revell was on their own. It's kind of something. Use the same box art, but the boxes are just completely different. Interesting. So yeah. So what's the year of these here? So this one is a 94. And this one is, let's see. This one's 98. So I had the years done as well. So that's that. Okay, so another one. This is the old Snap Tight. Wasn't expecting this one in there. That's not something usually he brings along, but I may keep this for the kids to put together. They're always asking to come out here, you know, and just like, maybe someday, you know, someday might have arrived. Another kit I thought was interesting. The old Mercury 66 hardtop. I'm not sure what they're trying to say with this box art. Are we saying like Miami Vice? I mean, what's with the color scheme here? Definitely, yeah, I'm not a big fan of the box art on this one. 2004 is a copyright on this one. But I think this would be a pretty cool build. Big old boat, big old sled. So yeah, that'd be kind of a neat build. Okay, so another double that's in the boxes here is the old 60 Ford Starliner. Yes, sir. Two of those bad boys. This is a pretty cool car. This is a 2000 build on this one. So yeah, this would be a neat build. So we got two of those guys. And we got 3 more here. I'm sorry, it's 4 more. We got another Starliner. This one's the custom guy of the bunch here. I do like the wheels on it. It's kind of got those bullet style wheels. Those would definitely look pretty good on something. I don't know, maybe it's just the color. It's almost like that Barney purple. Not quite loving that one. Next two are actually pretty cool cars. And you know, I don't build a lot of these, and I don't know why. I actually like them. 32 Highboy. Check that out. That's a pretty neat kit. This is a 1998 Revell Monogram. That's pretty neat looking. I wonder if those decals are in the box. Like I said, I'm going to open these up, I think, in time and start repackaging it, so to speak. Now we got the old 32 Phantom. Yeah. It's kind of got the ZZ Top thing going on. I tell you what, I like that stock version. That is sharp. I like it. 65 horse flat. I'm thinking they had a little more than that. Not much. Oh, we can build a 427 engine for it. That'd be pretty sweet. Yeah, got the old KREG'S wheels, some custom interior. Pretty cool kit. And lastly is a Lindbergh. I like Lindbergh kits. They go together really well. The old 53 Vicky. Yeah, it's kind of a neat kit. So yeah, that's a different looking car. Like I said, I do like these Lindbergh kits. They do build up pretty nice. I built a F-150 years ago, and man, that kit just went together so nice. First I thought, Lindbergh, really? And I thought, yeah, that's pretty nice. So hey, let me know in the comments if you guys got any of these kits and if they're any good or whatnot. And we'll go from there. So that's the gang. Like I say, quite a few of them here, so I thought that was a pretty good score today and whatnot. So, and appreciate everybody that watched the video and checking out the channel. We will see you next time around. You guys have a good one. Thanks again.